What if you could understand how power really works in life? Why do some people always win while others always lose? This book reveals the hidden rules of power that people use every day. The 48 Laws of Power by the 48 Laws of Power is a book about how people gain, use, and protect power in life. It shows lessons from history, kings, leaders, and smart thinkers. The main idea is simple. Power is everywhere. At work, in business, and even in friendship. If you understand it, you can protect yourself and make better choices. The book has 48 laws. Here are some important ones in simple meaning. Law 1. Never make your boss look weak. If you are too strong, others may feel threatened. Stay smart and respectful. Law 3. Hide your real plans. Do not tell everyone your next move. Keep some things secret so people cannot stop you. Law 6. Always get attention. People forget quiet people. If you want success, you must be seen. Law 15. Crush your enemy completely. If someone is against you, do not leave problems half done. It may come back later. Law 33. Find what people fear. When you understand emotions, you can understand control and influence. Law 48. Be flexible like water. Do not be rigid. Change your strategy when life changes. The book teaches that people are not always honest. Some people act friendly but have hidden goals, so you must be careful and observant. It also teaches that success is not only about hard work, it is also about strategy, timing, and understanding people. But the book is not telling you to be cruel, it is telling you to be aware. If you know how power works, you can protect yourself from manipulation. In life, power can be used in good ways or bad ways. The choice is yours. The best way is to stay smart, calm, and controlled. If you apply these lessons, you will notice people's behavior more clearly. You will make better decisions in business, career, and relationships.